Stress testing. So stress testing determines the stability of a system, testing it beyond normal operation capacity. Stress testing is all about what the system is going to behave, work in actual scenario. Because when we are developing, we are just developing. We are not aware how it is going to pan out when it is actually in the field. So stress tests are designed to confront programs or situations or the software with abnormal situation, abnormal capacity, abnormal pressure. How high can we crank this up before it fails? We want to fail the system, and that breaking a threshold points we need to know. Essentially, the tester wants or attempts to break the program. So we have stress testing, and here we execute the demanding resource in abnormal quantity, frequency or volume. There can be multiple other aspects also. So for example, if it is there is a size issue, there is a memory issue, there is a battery issue, we would like to make it work more, stress more. I'll give an example. Test cases are designed, for example, we have hardware interrupts like trap, etc. If the software is designed for say 1 or 2 at the average rate getting the interrupt, we would like to give 10 interrupts, 100 interrupts, maybe 1000 interrupts. The input rates, this may be also increased just to find out how input function would respond. For example, Mbps, we will try to give it in Gbps. The memory, the memory is always an issue. So maximum memory and other resources, computing resources, we execute it. And in operating system environment, there is always a concept of thrashing. The processor is doing the input-output activity rather than doing the actual execution work. So we'll try to create a virtual operating system where we can see how much thrashing we can present and how does the system respond in the thrashing stress. And especially the disk resident data. Most of the time the system will take from RAM or the cache, but we would like to do it, the software to do it through disk. So as I said, this is done to find out if the product behavior degrades under extreme condition and when it is denied the necessary resources. So it is expected to gracefully degrade on increasing the load, but the system is not expected to crash at any point of time during stress testing.